Hello, I hope you are doing great. How do you think we can renovate a kitchen at the lowest cost while being both fast and not causing damage? Using a utility knife, carefully remove any old adhesive, rough edges, or raised areas to create a perfectly smooth surface before applying the wrap. As you can see, we're carefully removing all the excess material and uneven edges with a putty knife to create a smooth, clean surface. Next, we place the adhesive wrap over the cabinet and use it as a template to mark the exact size before making the final cut. In this video, since we didn't have an air blowgun, we used an air compressor with a spray gun to remove dust and thoroughly clean the surface before applying the adhesive wrap. Next, we peel off the backing paper and carefully apply the adhesive wrap to the cabinet. Using a soft silicone squeegee, we gently smooth it out and remove all the air bubbles, making sure the surface is perfectly even without damaging the wrap. Next, we turn the panel over and use a sharp utility knife to carefully trim around the edges. This creates a precise template and allows the adhesive wrap to fit the cabinet perfectly. The more you gently stretch the adhesive wrap while applying it, the smoother, cleaner, and more professional the final result will look. As you can see, we carefully trim away the excess adhesive wrap with a utility knife, allowing the edges to overlap neatly for a clean, seamless, and professional finish. Repeat the same process on all four sides to achieve a clean, seamless, and professional finish. As you can see in the video, we're using a heat gun to gently warm the adhesive wrap. This helps it become more flexible, making it easier to shape around the edges and achieve a smooth, professional finish. Applying heat helps activate the adhesive, allowing it to bond securely to the surface. It also removes small air bubbles, improves adhesion in weak areas, and ensures the wrap fits perfectly for a smooth, flawless finish. Be careful to apply the heat slowly and keep the heat gun at a safe distance to avoid overheating or damaging the surface. In this step, you'll see how to create a clean and precise overlap, ensuring the adhesive wrap fits perfectly and delivers a flawless, professional finish. Make a small relief cut, then fold that section neatly inward. Trim away any excess material with a sharp utility knife and finally smooth the remaining wrap over the surface for a clean, seamless finish. Don't rush this step. Taking your time will ensure a cleaner, smoother, and more professional-looking finish. This type of cabinet renovation can be completed with minimal cost while still achieving a beautiful, professional-looking result. As you can see in the video, we're also applying a "Beware of Dog" warning sticker to the metal surface at the security area to make it clearly visible. Next, we go over the remaining cabinet surfaces with the heat gun once again. The edges are the areas most likely to lift because of trapped air, but by gently heating and pressing the adhesive wrap, it bonds securely to the surface and stays firmly in place. Now we're moving on to the kitchen wall panels. We chose a beautiful stone pattern design, and we always start from the top, making sure everything is perfectly level. If the first panel isn't level, the seams won't align properly, leaving visible gaps and an uneven finish. Carefully align the panel along the seams first, making sure it fits perfectly. Once it's in position, use a sharp utility knife to trim it precisely, then smooth it down and remove any trapped air for a clean, seamless finish. Removing these old ceramic tiles and installing new ones would have been a costly and time-consuming renovation for the homeowner. Instead, we use self-adhesive stone-look wall panels to give the kitchen a completely fresh and modern appearance. This solution allowed us to complete the project much faster while keeping the renovation cost to a minimum. For the backsplash, we use the same self-adhesive stone-look wrap to create a seamless, matching finish. Take your time during installation and be sure to lightly spray the surface with water or a glass cleaner before applying the wrap. This gives you a chance to gently reposition it if it's not perfectly aligned, helping prevent wrinkles or damage to the adhesive material. After about 3 hours, the moisture beneath the wrap will have completely evaporated, allowing the adhesive to bond firmly to the surface and creating a strong, secure finish. After about 3 hours, the moisture beneath the wrap will have completely evaporated, allowing the adhesive to bond firmly to the surface and creating a strong, secure finish. Finally, we secured everything back into place using the original screws, ensuring a strong and stable installation. The combination of white and natural wood creates a clean, elegant, and timeless look, as you can see here. If you have any questions about this project, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer your questions and help in any way I can. Thank you for watching. The cabinet doors are now fully wrapped, and we've started reinstalling them. We also painted the upper cabinet trim black to match the handles, creating a clean, modern, and coordinated look. Next, we apply the adhesive wrap to the cabinet frames, making sure every surface is covered neatly for a seamless and professional finish. We replaced all of the cabinet hinges with new ones and chose matte black handles for a modern look. As you can see, we're installing each handle one by one and securing it firmly in place. The matte black handles, combined with the matching black trim, create a clean, cohesive design that gives the kitchen a stylish and contemporary finish. We completed this entire kitchen renovation in just 3 days. The first day was dedicated to removing the cabinet doors and hardware. The second day was spent applying the adhesive wrap, and on the third day, we reinstalled everything, including the doors, handles, and all the finishing details. These cabinet doors originally had glass panels, but at the homeowner's request, we covered them with a wood-look adhesive wrap to match the rest of the cabinets and provide more privacy by concealing the contents inside. At the homeowner's request, we also replaced the cabinet lift supports to improve both functionality and ease of use. We covered the countertop with a stone-look adhesive wrap that is water-resistant, stain-resistant, and very easy to clean, making it both beautiful and practical for everyday use. And here's the final result of our 3-day cabinet makeover. Thank you so much for watching. Your support inspires me to create more renovation videos.